Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy in your house. Studying well? Okay. So now we are going to do revision for our PT1. We will start from word meaning. Okay. So first we will do revision for lesson 1, Prarthana, Samay Bada Balwan, word meaning. Okay. So shall we start, children? Samaya, samay. Samay means time. T-I-M-E, time. Samay. Samaya, samay. Samay means time. Sa, छोटा ओ की मात्रा सु, न पे ओ की मात्रा नो. सुनो. सुनो means listen. सुनो means listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. T is silent here, okay? T is silent. So, listen. Listen means suno. Raj. Raj. Raj means secret. Raj means secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret. Secret means Raj. Ba-la-wa-na. Balwan. Balwan means strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Strong means balwan. Kal. Kal. Kal means tomorrow. Kal means tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means kal. Safalata. Safalta. Safalta means success. C-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Success means safalta. Talna. Ta-la-na. Talna. Talna means to postpone. P-O-S-T. P-O-S-T. Post. P-O-N-E. Pone. To postpone. To postpone means talna. Ka-ma. Calm. Calm means work. Calm means work. W-O-R-K. Work. Calm means work. So one more round we will read. Samay. Samay means time. Suno. Listen. Raj. Secret. Balwan. Strong. Kal. Tomorrow. Safalta. Success. Talna. To postpone. Calm. Work. Okay. Okay, we will read word meaning for lesson 2. Buddhiman Hakku. First one, Talab. Talab. Talab means pond. Kinare. Kinare. On the bank. ब पे की मात्रा बैठ. बैठ गया. गया. बैठ गया. Sat down. Sat down. Sit down. Sat down. चोंच. च पे ओ की मात्रा चो. डाट चोंच. चोंच में. चोंच में. In the beak. In the beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. डाल. डाल पर. डाल पर. On the branch. डाल पर means on the branch. धोना. 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 To wash. To wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. तभी. तभी. At that moment. A-T at. T-H-A-T that. M-O-M-E-N-T. Moment. At that moment. Means तभी. मामा पे आओ की मात्रा मौका. मौका. मौका means opportunity. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. Opportunity. मौका. छला. चंद्रबिंदु लांग. छलांग. छलांग means jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. छलांग मीन्स जंप. आवाज, आवाज, आवाज मीन्स voice. VOICE, voice. One more round we'll read. तालाब, pond. किनारे, on the bank. बैठ गया, sat down. चोंच में, in the beak. डाल पर, on the branch. धोना, to wash. तभी, at that moment. मौका, opportunity. छलांग, jump. आवाज, voice. Okay children, now we will read for lesson 3 word meaning. Okay, shall we start? Mahana, mahan. Mahan means great. GREAT, great. Mahan means great. Shashak, shasak, shashak. Emperor, EMPEROR, emperor. Emperor means shashak. Navaratna, navaratna. Navaratna means 9 jewels. NINE, 9. JEWELS, jewels. 9 jewels. Hajir jabab, hajir jabab means ready witted. Ready witted means who give quick answer. Hajir jawab means who give quick answer. Without thinking, just someone is asking the question, same time you are just replying, okay, without waiting for anything. Sa, ma, hapsa, ya pe aapki matra ya. Samasya, samasya means problem. PROBLEM, problem. Problem means samasya. Suljhana, suljhana. Suljhana means to solve. TO2SOLVE, solve, to solve. Murkh raj, mu half ra kha raj. Murkh raj. Murkh raj means silly. SILLY, silly. Silly means murkh raj. Mantri, mantri means minister. MINISTER, minister. Minister means mantri. Hasmukh, hasmukh. See, ha Chandrabindu is there means ha. Hasmukh, hasmukh. Hasmukh means cheerful. CHEERFUL, cheerful. Cheerful means hasmukh. We have the vana, vidwan. We have the vana, vidwan. Vidwan means learned. LEARNED, learned. Learned means vidwan. Hujur, hujura. Hujur. Hujur means sir. SIR, sir. व्यक्ति, हाफ व य क पे छोटी की मात्रा हाफ क त छोटी की मात्रा ती. व्यक्ति. व्यक्ति मीन्स इंडिविजुअल. इंडिविजुअल. INDIVIDUAL, इंडिविजुअल मीन्स व्यक्ति. वन मोर राउंड वी विल रीड. महान, ग्रेट. शासक, एम्परर. नवरत्न, 9 jewels. हाजिर जवाब, रेडी विटेड. समस्या, प्रॉब्लम. सुलझाना, टू सॉल्व. मूर्खराज, सिली. मंत्री, मिनिस्टर. हंसमुख, cheerful. विद्वान, learned. हुजूर, सर. व्यक्ति, individual. Okay children, now open page number 19. Okay, page number 19, question number 5. We will read antonyms. Antonyms in Hindi we will say vilom shabd. Vilom means ulta. opposites. Okay, so we'll read opposites. First one, Vidwan. Vidwan means intelligent. Vidwan means intelligent. Opposite will be Murkh. Mu, half ra and kha. Murkh. Murkh means fool, unintelligent. Okay, innocent. So Vidwan. Vidwan means intelligent. Opposite will be Murkh. Murkh means fool, unintelligent or innocent. So in exam what you have to write? Vidwan will be there. Murkh you have to write. Okay, so do proper practice. Murkh. Choti. Choti. Choti means small. Choti means small. Badi. Ba. Ra पे बड़ी की मात्रा डी. बड़ी. बड़ी means big. बड़ी means big. So छोटी बड़ी. समझदार. समझदार. समझदार means same thing. Intelligent, हाँ. समझदार means intelligent. ना समझ. ना समझ means unintelligent, innocent. Okay. समझदार, ना समझ. बहुत. बहुत means too much. बहुत means too much. कम. कम means less, very less. Okay, little. So विद्वान, मूर्ख, छोटी, बड़ी, समझदार, ना समझ, बहुत, कम. You have to write like this. Vidwan is there, you have to write मूर्ख. छोटी will be there, you have to write बड़ी. समझदार, ना समझ. See, only na समझदार is here, ना समझ you have to write. समझ already it's written here, only ना letter you have to put there. बहुत कम. बहुत कम. बहुत means too much quantity. Okay, कम means very less. Okay, very less quantity. Okay children, open page number 6, question number 2. Page number 6 in lesson 1, question number 2. Here वान लगाकर शब्द बनाइए. You can see here वान. वान लगाकर शब्द बनाइए. Some word will be there. In that you have to add one word and you have to make a new word. Like see here, what's written there? Dhan. Dhan plus Van. They have added one in this new word. What we got it? Dhanvan. Dhanvan means rich, who is having lot of property, money, jewelry. That is called Dhanvan. Dhanvan means rich person. Next one, Pahala. Pahal plus one. We have put one in that. What new word we will get it? Pahalwan. Pahalwan means who is very strong physically. That person is very strong, like a wrestlers. Okay, they are pahalwan, physically fit. Next, bal. Bal plus one. It will be balwan. Balwan means same thing. Pahalwan and balwan both are same. Okay, balwan means who is having too much power. Okay, means physically who is fit. Okay, that is balwan. Next one, Gyanwan. Gyan plus Van. If you are joining together, what new word you are getting? Gyanwan. Gyanwan means who is having lot of knowledge. Okay, who is having lot of knowledge means intelligent person. Intelligent means Gyanwan. Next one, Gud. Gun plus one. Gudwan. Gun plus one. Gudwan. Gudwan means who is having a good quality. Okay, who is having lot of good quality. That is known as a Gudwan. Okay children, open page number 13. page number 13. Here some creative activity is there. Okay, maybe it can come in your exam also. Both side one picture is there. Same category picture you have to match. See on screen, it's written there, given below are the picture of land, water and sky, birds and animals. Match them appropriately. Means water animal will be matched with water, birds will be matched like bird, animals who live on ground, they will be matched in same category. Same thing you have to do if it is coming in your exam also. You can see on screen, parrot is there. Parrot can fly in the sky because this is a bird. One that side picture is there, pigeon. That is also a bird. They are flying also. So both will be match. So this side and that side picture will be match. If you are writing in your exam, one side, left hand side kakha gagha will be there. So instead of making the picture, because you are writing online exam, you don't have the paper. So just write like a ka is here or 1 is here. So what is the correct answer from that side? You just write the number. Okay. Like fish is there. Okay. Fish is there and fish will match with another fish. You can see little another fish is there. So here fish is in number 3 and here number 1. So 1 you write here 1 and in answer you write 3. Means correct answer is 3. 1-3. That will be correct answer. Parrot, pigeon. This is the correct. Elephant. Where elephant lives? Elephant lives on ground. Bull, where they are living? They lives also in ground. So that will be match. Like this you have to match the picture. Okay. Water animal you have to match in water. Birds you have to match with birds. And ground animals you have to match with animals. That will be very easy and funny. You can do it easily. Okay children. Open page number 18. Your lesson number 3. Page number 18. Question number 2. Match the following. On top you can see on your screen also. Match the following. So here I taught you Kahiye Murkh Raj lesson. In that matching is there. I told you the story also. So first one is there. You have to match. Here your people is there. In that story what character has come, character name is there. And this side how their quality is there, how they are in that story, that is there. So correct answer you have to match. Like first one, Badshah Akbar. So in the story who was the Akbar? In the story who was the Akbar? Akbar was a great emperor, Mahan Shashak. And if you'll see the story, it is written there also, Akbar ek Mahan Shashak the. So Badshah Akbar, correct answer match is there, Mahan Shashak. So see, number 1 here I have put na, means it will match first one, last one. Same thing you have to match also if it is coming in your exam. Here kakha gagha will be there and in front of ka write the correct answer in number. Okay, like which one is the correct answer. So Badshah Akbar first, Mahan Shashak. This is the first one correct answer. So how was the Akbar? He was a great emperor. Second one, Birbal. Birbal. Who was the Birbal? In Akbar story there, in this story he was a minister. He was a minister. But how he was? He was a very intelligent and quick reply person. So quick reply means Hajir Jawab. Hajir Jawab means a person who gave quick reply. So how was the Birbal? Hajir Jawab. Second one, huh? So second, this is the correct answer. You have to match Hajir Jawab for Birbal. Third one, Mantri. Who was the Mantri? When Akbar and Birbal is talking, one Mantri has come, one minister has come, and without asking any excuse me or anything, just he start to talk na. So what Birbal told? Aiye Murkh Raj. Aiye Murkh Raj. So Mantri, what word they have used here? Murkh Raj. So here third one is there, means third one will match with first one. So here Murkh Raj, mantri was Murkh Raj. Darbari. Darbari means in emperor where they are sitting. Lot of people is there, na? People who stay in that cabinet or who is working under the king. Darbari. So Darbari, Akbar and Birbal, what they are talking together in alone? Some samasya. Samasya means problem. Samasya means problem. Okay. So Darbari, samasya. Fourth one here. So okay children, you have to match like this. Badshah Akbar, Mahan Sasak, Birbal, Hajir Jawab, Mantri, Murkh Raj. Darbari, samasya. Okay children, now open page number 20. Another creative activity, Rachnatmak Gati Vidhi. Here, शरीर के इन अंगों से आप जो कार्य करते हैं उनसे मिलान कीजिए. मैच द बॉडी पार्ट्स विद देयर रेस्पेक्टिव एक्टिविटीज. ओके, सो सम बॉडी पार्ट इज देयर, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड some body part is there and right hand side activity is there. So with this body part, what activity you are doing, you have to match with that. That's all. First, what picture you can see? Nose. What is that? Nose. So with nose, what you are doing? Nose, what work is doing? We are using for smelling. Nose, what we are doing? We are using for smelling. So you can see down in the picture, one boy is there, he is smelling one flower. So nose picture will be matched with flower, means one boy who is smelling the flower, you have to match with that. Okay, next what is that? One leg you can see here, foot is there, foot you can see here. So with foot what we are doing? We are running with foot, we are walking with foot. So here foot picture is there, you can see one boy, he just running. Okay, so with foot and running you have to match. Okay, down you can see one hand is there. So with your hand what you will do? You will have food and you will do writing work. So hand is there and one boy you can see in the picture, he is writing something. So hand and this writing boy you have to match. Now you can see one eyes. Okay, one eyes is here, you can see. With eyes what you will see? You can see anything, you can watch anything, you can read, you can watch TV. Okay, any work you can do. So eyes, here right hand side you can see one picture, one boy, he is looking one bug on sitting on the leaf. Okay, you can see. So this boy who is watching one bug, you can match with eyes. Okay, with ear what you will do? You can see ear picture here, down the foot. With ear what you will do? With ear we are listening. So see top just next to nose, one girl is listening song. So ear you have to match with listening song. So that is very easy. Body part and their activity you have to match together. Okay children, now we will go for question and answer. Okay, we will read question answer. Question number 1. हक्कू बुद्धिमान था या बुद्धिहीन? Who was the हक्कू? बुद्धिमान हक्कू. Lesson 2 story is there na? So who was the हक्कू? Hakku was a frog. So buddhiman means intelligent, buddhihin means unintelligent or innocent, fool. So how was Hakku, that frog, how he was? He was intelligent, buddhiman or buddhihin? This is the question. So what is the answer? Hakku buddhiman tha. Hakku buddhiman tha means Hakku was intelligent. So see here, not to worry. Your answer is in your question only. Hakku buddhiman tha या बुद्धिहीन. So Hakku buddhiman tha. Just you have to copy till here. That's all. Okay. See, Hakku buddhiman tha. Hakku buddhiman tha. Hakku was intelligent. So not to worry, in your question only your answer is there. Easily you can write your question. Second one, तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब means pond, कहाँ means where, था means was. Where was the pond? Where was the pond? So in this story, where was the pond? तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था. तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था. So तालाब is here. में था, it is था in question only here. You have to memorize शहर के पूर्व में. This you have to learn. शहर के पूर्व में था. तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था means that pond was in city east side. Okay children, so you have to memorize this one. शहर के पूर्व, तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था. Now your question number 3. वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? What was on that tree? Near the pond one tree was there. What was on the tree? Mango. Mango tree was there na? Means aam. Aam means mango. So here also your answer is very small. वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे. See, in your question only your answer is there. Only one word you have to join. Aam. A and ma. All people know how to write aam, so it's very easy for you. Only aam extra you have to add. Otherwise, everything instead of kya you have to write aam. Otherwise, all those things it is in your question only. So वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे. बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम क्या था? What was emperor name? In the story कहिए मूर्खराज lesson 3. हाँ, बादशाह का नाम क्या था? What was that emperor name? See here. In this question also your maximum answer is there. Only one word you have to write. बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. अकबर only you have to write. Okay. अकबर. That only is the answer. Small answer. अकबर. So बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. Okay. Next question. बीरबल कौन थे? Who was बीरबल? Who was बीरबल? बीरबल मंत्री थे. See, थे is already written here. बीरबल already written here. You have to keep in mind मंत्री. म पे अंक की मात्रा मन, त्र and त्र पे बड़ी की मात्रा त्रि. मंत्री थे. बीरबल मंत्री थे. Okay children. So it's a very easy one word. Your answer is there. One word answer is there. Small word you have to memorize. Okay children. So read proper and